Ganda ni Ate Elma.
Kung tayo maglaban, gusto mo pili.
Ito. From the Philippines. She's single.
Ang ano naman layon,
Why do they call you Mom Elma?
Come on, girl. Philippines, let's go. Philippines, come on.
What subject?
Mapper.
History ba yun?
No, music arts.
Ay, tamo. Sorry.
Ay, hindi!
Hindi ko Jerome. Jerome Joseph. Ay, hindi. Jerome. What's your Joseph?
Hindi siya love.
Hey, Bea, you hear me? What,
Yes, I can
what
hear
you eat there? You wait restaurant?
No, we're at the airport.
Airport. You come Europe or?
Our flight is delayed.
Amal ba yan?
Guys, I am famous also. I am number one Belgium.
Oh, wow.
Yes, winleri de verdim alamına.
Ano mangyayari pag nanalo?
Nice, nice. Thank you.
Maraming gift.
Bye-bye!
Bea, bye.
Magkano yan? Ate, mag-hi ka.
Ay, okay, pinakamaganda sa ating tatlo. Ang hindi nyo. Pa-screen record po, tapos pa-upload dito sa TikTok.
Ang laki na ni P. Hala, ate, parang I like. Can I try? Yung
3K.
oh, talaga?
19 siya, 16
God.
na lang.
Magkano?
Nan lang.
16 na lang.
Ah,
19 talaga.
Set up ko na yun ah.
Thank you.
Cellphone na lang, pakinggan
guys,
mo sa
we're going
speaker mo.
home na. I'm so sleepy.